In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. By the end, you'll feel comfortable starting a fresh conversation in Claude, opening the options menu, adding files and screenshots, organizing your work into projects, and exploring powerful tools that extend what Claude can do. First, open your browser and head to claude.com. Sign in with your account to reach the main workspace. You'll land in the central chat area, which is where all your conversations live and where you'll do most of your work with Claude. Next, start a new chat. Look for the new chat option in the main chat area. Opening a fresh conversation helps keep topics separate and makes it easier to manage your work later. Once you're in a blank chat, you'll see the message box at the bottom where you can type your prompt. Now focus on the small plus button next to the chat input. Click the plus to reveal all available options. Think of this as your quick toolbox. It's the place to add content, capture visuals, and connect Claude to more of your workflow without leaving the chat. From this menu, choose Add Files or Photos to upload documents or images. You can attach PDFs, text files, and common image formats to give Claude context, extract summaries, or get help revising content. Keep file names descriptive so you can find them later, and be mindful of what you share if a file contains sensitive information. If you need to show exactly what's on your screen, use Take a Screenshot. This is handy for troubleshooting, giving visual instructions, or highlighting a specific section of a page. To keep everything tidy, select Add to Project. Projects group related chats and files together, which makes it easy to revisit a body of work, track progress, and avoid digging through old threads. You can also extend Claude's capabilities right from that same area. Explore skills to add specialized behaviors for tasks like drafting, analyzing, or formatting. Add connectors to link Claude with tools you already use so it can pull in or act on your data where appropriate. Turn on web search when you need current information sourced from the internet and review results critically, just as you would any research. Finally, try user style to set the tone and writing preferences you like, concise or detailed, formal or casual, so responses feel tailored to you. That's it. Open Claude, start a new chat, tap the plus, add what you need, organize with projects, and enhance with skills, connectors, web search, and user style. Practice a few times, and these steps will become second nature.